everyone, welcome to part 151 of Laravel 9 series in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So in this video we are going to manage vendor orders. We are going to send item-wise email to the users by vendor, item-wise status we are going to send to the user. Right now what we are doing, we are sending the complete order status here, if I'm going to open any of the order. In the last video we have seen if I will send the update of this item, but both the items going in email, so that is wrong. If we are updating this item only by the vendor, then only the status of this item will go, like the details of this item will go, not the whole order. Okay, not the whole order. And also we are going to manage this from the vendor, so I'm going to open the vendor account where only the vendor product will display, not all the products will display, only the vendor product will display. Okay, so I'm going to log in with one of the vendor account, and I'm going to see I'm going to log in with this account. I think the products will come, uh, vendor products will come in this account. Okay, so I'm going to log out from here and we'll log in from the vendor account, so that we will get only the vendor orders, only the vendor product orders, okay, that the vendor added. Okay, so here I'm going to check the orders, and only two orders are here, like the order for the vendor products, the products that are added by the vendor. So we have got the two orders. I'm going to check the orders here and see only one product is displayed, and this is related to the vendor. Okay, so this is related to the vendor. See, vendor, we can able to see the vendor orders only, and this one also, only one product we can able to see here as well, because this product is added by the vendor. If you will see here the products, you will get like vendor added this product, so vendor will only receive the orders of this product only. Vendor will not able to see all the orders. Vendor can only able to see the orders where his product has been placed, where his product has been placed by the users. Okay, so vendor can able to see two orders. In those two orders his product has been placed, so his product is demanded by the user, so he need to send this product to the user and he can send the status. So once the courier, he will contact the courier team, he is about to deliver the product to the customer. Okay, so what he can do here, he can set the status to the shipped. He can make the courier partner, whatever courier partner he will choose, he will add, and the tracking number that will be given by the courier team to him. He will just update these details, and the email will go to the user. Okay, once he will click on update, email will go to the user with these details, along with this product details as well. We will clearly tell the user that this product has been shipped, and you can see the details. Okay, but not all the products. Right now we are showing all the products of the order, that is wrong. So we need to update our code. I'm going to update here the update order item status. So we are going to update here in admin, update order item status, and here we are required to update the order details here. Okay, so we are required to add the subquery. So why we require here subquery? Because we just want here the particular product, we just want here the one product that belongs to the vendor. Okay, so that's why we require here the subquery. And here you can see this is the order products table, and we are going to compare with the item id. So what id? This one, that is, we are already getting order item id, so this one we are going to compare with this id, and then we will get only the product that the vendor that belongs to the vendor. Okay, so for that we are going to add the subquery here, so that we can compare the id with this order item id. Okay, so here we are going to add this subquery function. Okay, so we will add the syntax of subquery, $query. Okay, here we are going to pass this variable, okay, dollar item id. What I am going to do, I am going to put this one in one another variable like the order item id, because that will not go, it will go like this. Okay, we will put in another variable because it's already uh, uh, in array. Now I will put in variable like this, that I will use here inside this. Okay, so inside this I am going to write here dollar query, where we are going to compare the id with this order item id. Okay, so that we will get only the vendor product, we will not get the other products. Okay, so here semicolon will come, and also we need to add this square bracket here, and it will end up here. Okay, so our subquery is ready. Okay, so now once our subquery is ready, now if we will try to send, what we are going to do here, order status, the order content, that email content also we are going to update. We are going to make the new email for order item status. This is the order status, this is the order email for a whole order, but we are going to make the new email here order item status. We are going to make the email like order item status. Okay, order item status like this. Okay, so here also I am going to write it like order item status for both this one as well as this one. Okay, so here we are going to update the email. We are going to see the content here. Hello, this one, your order. Here we will mention order item status, because one item we are going to send for the one item, status for the one item. Your order item status has been updated to, maybe it will be shipped. In the case of shipped only, we are sending the courier name as well as the tracking number. So courier name is this one, tracking number is this one. Your order item details, now not all the orders we are going to show. Your order item details are as below. Okay, so this is the item details, and don't mention the shipping charges, coupon and grand total, because see, the grand total, we are not going to show the full grand total, we are just intimating the user that this item has been shipped. Okay, so here we are not required to send the shipping charge, the coupon, discount, grand total. Once again, we will just add the product details, order product details along with the delivery address. Okay, so now we can try. Okay, so now we will see that only this item will go to the user, and I'm going to, here we'll click on shipped, and here I will select the FedEx. Here I will add the new tracking number, will click on update, and it will take few seconds. It is updating, it is sending email to the user, and in a few seconds we are going to see it has been updated. Order item status has been updated successfully. So we are going to check in mail trap, my inbox. I'm going to inbox, see new email has come up, order status updated. Okay, so here your order two item status has been updated to ship, it is fine, and it is the FedEx and tracking number is this one, and we are showing only one item, one that particular vendor product we are showing. See, that particular item we are showing. See, otherwise order two maybe having the two item. If we will go to the and we need to see here that it has been also updated here, shipped, FedEx and this one. Okay, though the complete order status is feature is not available to the vendor, but he can able to see that he updated this one. Okay, and once we will go to the admin, then we are going to see that how many products are there in this order 2. We are going to see how many products are in the order 2, and here so you can see there are two products, as a whole, but we have only updated the status for this one, and only this product is going in the email. You can see only this product is going in the email BT501. this is the code BT501, and this is the product that is added by the vendor. Okay, so vendor is able to send the details of his own item. Vendor is not concerned with the another item. Okay, vendor is only concerned with his own item, and he shipped that item from the admin panel, from his own panel. Okay, and he only able to see his own items is in his panel, that he can able to ship to the user. Okay, so this is the thing that we are required to finish in this video, and we able to do this one. Now both the admin panel as well as the vendor panel are working fine, working accurately. And in the next video we are going to work on the order invoice and much more things. And after that we are going to start working on the PayPal. Okay, so after that we will also work on the vendor commissions that we need to do in this multi-vendor e-commerce series. Okay, so, and finally we are going to finish this series very soon. We will concentrate more on our Rect as well as the Laravel 10 series, and I hope that you are going to watch that as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.